Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel today. We're busting a common gardening myth. Do young trees really need staking to grow strong and straight? Stick around to find out. Many gardeners believe that staking young trees is essential for their growth. The idea is that by providing external support, the tree will develop a strong, upright structure. But the truth is, staking can often do more harm than good. Now, there are a few situations where staking might be necessary. For example, if you live in a windy area, have transplanted a large tree, or if your young tree is top-heavy. Most young trees don't need staking if they're planted correctly and cared for properly. Here are a few ways to support your young trees without staking. Ensure the root flare is at or just above ground level when planting. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around the base of the tree, keeping it away from the trunk. Water deeply and regularly during the first few years. Prune to remove damaged branches and promote a strong structure. By following these tips, you can help your young trees grow strong and resilient without the need for staking. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! See you next time.